It is 2. Rehearsal 2. Rehearsal 2. Good day and welcome to 2. The day of the Vespa shoot, which I have to say a few things about. Regarding 1 day, given that we all got so worked up yesterday that since it's the first time that we will have some difficulties, in the sense that a scene will burst, that something will go wrong. Thank God everything went phenomenally. I know that it may seem unusual to you when you watch that one and saw how it was possible that everything went so perfectly. Well, that's simply possible. I don't even know how. I'm glad that's the case, because who likes to suffer? Of course so one. The day went phenomenally. Here we are at 2 day. Today we will also be removing the clutch basket and plate. That's in the plan for now. We'll see slowly then. I hope I was just playing cards. Now we'll have what awaits us today and how everything will unfold. I see that some of you have already written me comments about how long I expect the project to take. The expectations are that the West will finish it soon. I think that yesterday's filming went as planned, or rather, we'll be able to do it in about 5 to 3 days. And we are. Of course, it's not realistic, God willing, to finish in a month. And we'll see. But I've already started losing. Bottom. Shadna got stuck. In the Hubble. Now. We don't need to continue removing the anchor fan because all the electronics are inside. We're doing well. My work is good, since we didn't have it yesterday, which is why we stopped filming. We didn't have the complete tools we have now. They told me that in this part of the injury, a little more counts. One, the journey was unsuccessful because we called and abducted enough. Although 2, try. This is going to be really difficult because we can't seem to get it to tighten as much as it should. But absurdly, now that I got the same result, it means absolutely nothing changes here. I don't know what. So total chaos. These rules. I pulled out the boss that I shouldn't have touched, which we barely got to the jar. We are in shock mode until the end of the statement. I did everything wrong, but come on, free. Happiness. Chaos. How am I? How was I yesterday? How was I? Let's not say 4. Try that I was not a state. I should have maintained exactly the ventilator. This now has logic. C. I'm stuck somewhere. 5. Since I didn't find a solution, how? You can do it well. I brought the owner's answer from whom I bought the Vespa to help me a little with these difficult things that I simply don't have the strength to do on my own. This is bitter. We can't take it off, so we'll see what we do now.
May.
Mish today. The number of people who escaped has come up. I am the last cameraman. We still haven't solved the problem, and we've been trying for over an hour.
Nowhere now. This is not worth it, and this is its center. Apart from that, nothing. Only that was replaced by Levac.
That's 19 for you.
What's up? What he said and his son put it in his own way.
Fashion can go even further.
Fortaleza 4. Just.
Fig. Let's go. We've rolled up our sleeves. There's no one happier than me. Re. But what is the problem here? His screw-on is damaged. I expect.
Find it.
Why is it damaged here? Doc. Oh. Bottom. But masks. I touched this oil a little, my hair a little, my face a little, everything a little. It would have been even easier if I didn't have nails. We take off the lid of the pile of it. And inside the piano, look who is new, as if it has not been used, considering that it is not rusted. It can be seen in this. This is 2000, and the 800 Vespucci is literally like new. The time has come to take the cylinder out to check the piston and links, and it is at this point that the moment of truth comes. How about a top hat after so many dreams? And now an even greater moment of truth awaits. And the clip also broke the links. Now the question is, can we sync this? The sink got into the gasoline in the elevator, so we tried to clean it up. Oh, if we don't succeed, we should replace the entire clip. So we'll only see that when you answer me. Should gasoline flood the earth? To the block, and we've reached the connecting rod to the crankshaft, and we won't dismantle the engine block any further because it's in excellent condition. The engine hasn't been driven, so I don't think anything needs to be dismantled further. I wonder if that's it. The time has come to announce today, because just as you have seen some things, some you have not. Basically, there were a lot of problems today in the sense that I couldn't do some things on my own, because I didn't know about some things and I didn't have enough strength. I needed help from a handyman, so by the time the handyman arrived, we didn't have any tools. So while we waited, we got this tool, because otherwise our friends called the project the tools that really provided us with everything possible. But with what I said that we need now, I anticipated some things so that we are waiting for the second to arrive, a tour. So that's it. There's something else I wanted to say about today, but I have neither the strength nor the energy. Have you thought about what they say? Today was short, but sweet. That's what today brings.